Detailing one of the rentals today, and as I went to start it, the battery is flat. Now I've got a jump pack. I can jump pack that car, get it started, get it to the shop, get a new battery, but it just got me thinking that I don't check batteries enough, especially when it comes into cool weather. So when you have a rental car fleet, you really want to have a bunch of items that you go through before that car goes out. Things for us: tire pressure, fuel, smell, a final wipe down, window washer water, and all the key elements to make sure that the customer is going to be safe in that vehicle. All the lights working, hazard light working, indicators working. And it's one thing I didn't really have on my list was checking the battery. So I think I'm going to do that as a monthly reminder. Go get a battery tester. Now batteries can last 2, 3 years, 4 years maybe. They can also last 1 year, and as a rental car, customers are going to leave lights on and do things just by accident because they're not used to that car. So I highly recommend, if you have a fleet that you're running by yourself or a small team, you have a checklist of items that you should do. So tire pressure being one of the main ones, tire pressures, lights, batteries, window washer fluids, all the non-negotiable roadworthy items. Make sure there's no cracks in the windscreens, and making sure that your vehicles are serviced up to date as well. So generally when you're getting a service done, all these items are done for you, but I check it every single time because that 2-minute checklist for every car that goes out, if I'm doing it 5 times, 6 times a day, for every car that goes out, every one that comes back, I just think of all the hours, time, stress and hassle that's saving me, because the last thing you want to see is a phone being called, your phone ringing at 2 in the morning, and someone saying the tires are low pressure, or another issue, the lights don't work, or something else going on. So I think when it comes to any business, but definitely the car rental business, prevention is everything. So make sure you have a strong checklist. Keep finding things like that battery. I didn't really think. I haven't had an issue before, so I didn't really think to have it top of mind. But now it's happened to me, thank goodness it wasn't to a customer. I now know to add that and keep moving, keep improving, and keep getting better and better with the service that I provide. So now I'm going to add that to my list, go get a battery tester, and make sure I'm checking batteries before they go out every single time. So if you have a checklist, let me know in the comments some things that maybe not everyone checks that you think we should all be checking. And hopefully we can help everyone. I'll catch you in the next one.